Hi, my name is Chris from Beck's Home and Garden, and today we're talking about a product that we have that treats mosquitoes organically. And so here it is. We will be talking today about Tick Kills. It is an all-natural product with cedarwood oil and peppermint oil, completely organic, completely safe for family and pets and whatnot. And you treat your grass, shrubs, trees, all that sprayed on, and it will control the mosquitoes, also ticks and fleas and stuff like that as well. So it attaches by the hose. You attach the light green knob to the hose and then turn your water on, and then you will go ahead and spray your grass. A nice gentle layer on your grass will be great, and that should keep those mosquitoes down.